Hey everyone, how are you doing? In this video, I want to talk about why blogging is the best way of learning and show you how to start your own public blog on Rome. Writing is the best way to learn anything because reading alone is not enough. In order to remember what you read, many people import their book highlights into Evernote or use services like Readwise. They are great apps, but I don't think they are enough to internalize the knowledge you gain from books because what you're doing is simply rereading what others wrote. As Arthur Schopenhauer says, when we read, someone else thinks for us, we merely repeat his mental process. Whoever reads very much and almost the whole day gradually loses the ability to think on his own, as someone who always writes forgets in the end how to walk. Therefore, reading and rereading highlights me you are not doing your thinking, which is part of the reason why you fail to remember what you read. So what should you do to remember what you read so you can use that knowledge in your life? Well, you have to write about what you read, because writing about something requires a deeper understanding of the subject. It's the same idea as a Feynman technique. You try to teach some idea as if you're in a lecture. Explaining something in your words forces you to truly understand the subject. If you want to make it even better, you should write publicly because, as David Perel says, writing in public is like inviting guests to your house for dinner. You have to clean and double check everything. Just like when you cook a meal for your guest, you try harder when others are watching and your reputation is at stake. Now, let's make a new public blog in Rome. I recommend using Rome because it's the best platform to implement the Zettelkasten method, which I think is a great knowledge management system. If you want to know more about Zettelkasten, you should check out my video about how to take smart notes. First of all, you need to create a new database in Rome. You can do this by clicking the link in the description. All you need is a unique name for your database. Now you can start writing, but you might find it difficult at first. If so, you should start by summarizing what you read. Simply go through the books or articles you read in the past and write a summary of them. Or you can just write a few sentences about what you thought. Also, each blog post doesn't have to be long. It can be as short as you want. Have you read Marginal Revolution blog by Tyler Cowen or Seth Godin's blog? Their blog posts are very short, but extremely popular. So you can start by writing short blog posts. By the way, when you're writing, make sure to connect your notes with other notes by using bidirectional links because it helps you make connections among pieces of your knowledge. After making a few notes, you can make your blog public by clicking this share button and share the link with your friends and other people on Twitter, Facebook or LinkedIn. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider becoming my patron. It would mean so much to me. Thanks, stay safe, bye!